So, you want to learn a language. Maybe it's to travel, or to make new friends, or to have a new skill to put on your resume. Whatever the reason, it's difficult, but it's really rewarding. This isn't the way to learn a language. This is just a method that I use in like a non-immersion environment to learn some new vocabulary. So just keep that in mind. Today we're going to talk about language learning notebooks. This is mine. I love it very much. Just kidding. But it is a really useful tool. Obviously, the ideal way to learn a language is to immerse yourself in the language by like going to the country or taking an immersion class, but if you don't have access to that, then this is just one of the ways that you can improve your skills. In this video, I'm going to show you what I do for 5 to 10 minutes every single day in my language notebook. I'll probably do a little voiceover, but it'll probably just be music. So yeah. Alright, let's get on with the video now. Bye! So here, I'm just writing down different conjugations of verbs that I like to use, verbs that I use often, because it's really useful to know when to use different conjugations. So many times I can't even tell you I've accidentally said tu tengo or yo tienes, and it's kind of embarrassing. Alright, so something that you don't really want to do all the time is write word-to-word translations. It can be useful and helpful, but for me, when I'm practicing vocabulary I already know, I like to do pictures to words so that I can more think like a native speaker and associate the Spanish word with an emotion or an image or an action rather than an English word, you know? So you can like, you know, I don't know. Here is the list where I write down palabras que no sé, or words that I don't know, so that I can look them up later and learn them. This is a case where I think it's fine to write English to Spanish, like word-to-word translation, because you're learning something new, but when I'm practicing this vocabulary later, I'll probably do pictures. And of course, the most important part of studying anything is to take breaks. So right now, I'm going to take a funfetti break! Alright, thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe. It really means a lot to me. Bye!